We have here two types of floor outlet by Panasonic, and the housing is an aluminum. And if you notice, this part is clean and this is not, because I just cleaned this part and I just leave this behind for you to observe that aluminum will become, what do you call this, dull gray, from transparent to dull gray. And because of the oxidation from the air, it actually helps it so that protects it to not to rust itself. And same as this one, the difference is this one is a pop-up outlet. Actually, I just changed this. Mostly this outlet should be a universal and a shuttered, because this types of outlet is an IP44, meaning the first digit, the 4, is the solid object. It can protect it from 1 millimeter. And the second object is 4 again, meaning protects against water from splash or spray. Not like the other floor outlet that has a 0 water protection. And this one is a pop-up. This one, it's not called pop-up because the outlet is fixed on the bottom. It does not move. I think it's a sub pop-up because only the top cover will pop, but the outlet stays. It depends on your requirements. Just like that. And if you take a standard plug, such as this, a 3-prong plug, and cover it, this one will actually protects the plug. See, this is a foam. Yes, 2 plugs can coincide. This one stays like this. It's a pop-up. So this stays on the top of the floor. I have here an adapter. Just like that. If you plug it, the adapter is big, yes, it is noticeable. This one, somehow it does not fit inside, especially this type of adapter. This is a smaller adapter. The problem is, yes, it's quite hard Yeah, does not close. So it depends. It is a selective. So somehow, if you use this one, you can no longer cover it. So it depends on the adapters. Just like this, it can be plugged. So this one, if this just an outlet, a plug, yes, much better. But if you have a bulky plug, I think this is much better to use. And just close this one. And if you want to remove this, just remove 2 screws on the side. You need to remove it all the way. It's a small screw. I just removed this a while ago because I just cleaned it. And this one can be removed. See? No need for any additional plate. It has own locking bracket, and this one will align it. If you notice, there is 4 terminals. This one is actually this part. It is the W, meaning neutral, can be installed here directly. This one is the line or the hot wire, and this one, this actually is the ground. This one is the ground, directly goes here, and the green is actually see, from the body. This is the green. So this green will be installed on here, just like that. See? This is the W. Let's install it. W goes to the N. Center is ground. But of course, before plugging this in, you need to verify it. Use a continuity tester so that the line would be correct. This one is the L, the line. Okay. And put back the top cover, just like that. Don't forget the screw. Need to tight so that the head of the screw will not catch to the side. Push it to align. And tighten it like that. Okay, it's good. This one can be directly goes to the line side, the hardwire, and the model of this, I'm going to put it on the description, including the pop-up that I just reviewed last time. It has a spring-loaded here. See, actually, if you mistakenly step on it, it does not really goes back. This one, yes, it does not also. You need to slide it first before it goes down. Also this one, slide, it goes down. So we're good.